Alright, y'all, before we hop in this video, I'm giving a post notification shout out to Parker Desire on Instagram. You guys see, he turned on my post notifications. If it wants to focus, he turned on my post notifications. Go follow him on Instagram. If you guys want to get your Instagram shouted out in a video, just make sure to go over my Instagram at JustKryptic, turn on my post notifications, and send me a screenshot that you did that. And that's how you guys can get a shout out in a video, get new followers, all that kind of stuff. But shout out to him, go follow him on Instagram, and let's get in this video.
Moonlight, sunlight, if you don't subscribe, I'm gonna kill your cat. Moonlight, sunlight.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy JustKryptic here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial for you guys. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and stuff like that. I've done multiple videos like this in the past. They're not on my channel anymore because YouTube was trying to be on that snake stuff. But today I'm gonna show you guys how to actually get your hair curly. You guys see mine's crazy right now. I mean, it has curls in it or whatever, but it's just all over the place. So I figured it'd be a good opportunity, a good chance for me to make this video for you guys. It was one of the first videos I posted once I got my channel back from a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not really gonna get into it, but before we do hop in this video, let's see if we can smash 300 likes on this video. I'd appreciate it. So let's go for that big 300. If you're not doing anything, just tap the button, show your support. That's all you gotta do. But basically, I'm gonna show you guys how to get curly hair. So let's go ahead and hop into it and let's get in the video. In order to do this, you guys are gonna want to have some sort of products. You don't always have to have products, but they do help a lot when it comes to making your hair curly. And this does work for multiple, like it works for all races and all kinds of hair, but some hair it's iffy on, like it's not gonna work. It's not gonna give you the best results. So honestly, like I'd probably say people with straight hair, it's gonna make your hair like wavy curly, and then people who have like nappy hair, it's gonna give you really tight curls. And then if you're like a light skin like me or whatever, it's gonna give you like bouncy curls, like you know what I mean, like my curls are, you know what I'm saying, like I have bouncy curls. But basically, you don't have to use product, but a huge helper in this is going to be this product called Can2. Now Can2, for those of you who don't know what Can2 is, it's curling product for your hair. You can get it at Walmart, Target, anywhere like that. All stores have it, I'm pretty sure. But there's two different products you can get. You can either get a curling activator cream, which basically what this does is it starts the curls for you. So if you're someone who doesn't really have really good curls at all or anything like that in your hair, this is what will start it for you. And if you're somebody who kind of does have a little bit of curl in their hair, maybe it's a little wavy or something like that, there's coconut curling cream, which this will literally like curl your hair up once it dries and everything like that and whatever. But basically, the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to get your hair wet. So we're going to start on that, and then we're going to hop into everything else. So you guys might want to grab a towel for this because you are going to be getting wet. You know what I'm saying? So grab a towel, whatever you guys want to do, and basically you're just gonna want to get your hair wet. So I'm gonna put it in the sink here. I don't have anyone to hold the camera, so it's gonna be kind of difficult to get you guys to see exactly what I'm doing, but I'm basically just getting my hair wet, and that's all you want to do to begin with. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna hop into what you want to do after. All right, so you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna turn the water on, and I'm just gonna stick my head in the sink. You can use a spray bottle if you want to, either one works. Or if you don't have a spray bottle, you can do it the ghetto way like I'm doing and just dip your head in the freaking sink and do it like I'm about to do right now. But you guys will see, like, oh, I should have turned the water up. That is cold. You just want to get your hair wet, honestly. I mean, there's no like special routine to this. You guys can see my hair is like just gushing out water right now, so you just want to get your hair wet. Make sure all of it's wet, because I have this problem when I wet my hair is I'll only get like the front of it, and like the back will just stay dry. Like this part right here will just stay dry somehow. I don't know how that happens, but you want to make sure you get your whole hair wet. So just make sure you do that. Rub your fingers through it. Make sure everything is wet. Who's that sexy boy? No, I'm playing. Alright, so as you guys can see, my hair is like all noodly right now. Yes, I do have ramen noodles. Everyone says that all the time. I get it, whatever. But my hair is completely wet. Like you guys will see, like I've made sure that I got all my hair wet. Even the back is wet. Every part of it is just completely wet right now. So basically, once you get to this point right here, this is when you're gonna want to use your product. So me personally, I already have somewhat curly hair, so I don't really need to use the activator. But I'll do both just to show you guys the same effect. Honestly, it just depends on whether your hair is already somewhat curly or if your hair isn't curly at all. But I'm just gonna, I guess I'll use the activator cream. It's not, it really doesn't make much of a difference, but you just wanna get a good amount, probably like, wow, it really just squished down like a tiny line. Okay, probably about like a quarter size. That's a little bit too much. but about a quarter size. And then you just want to rub it through your hair. And make sure you get it all the way through your hair. It should be like, it's kind of like gel. Have you guys ever used gel in your hair? You just want to rub it all the way through your hair. Make sure that you get every single spot of your hair, because you gotta make sure the product's all the way through. And Lord Jesus, I got this zit on my forehead earlier when I woke up, and I was like, what the heck is this? But yeah, guys, just make sure you're getting it all the way through your hair. As you guys see, I'm running my fingers through your hair. But I'm gonna give you guys a tip here in a second too. Let me just keep rubbing it through. All right, so once you guys have actually rubbed it through all the way, what you wanna do is you wanna scrunch your hair, like scrunch it like this, because when you do this, when you're rubbing your fingers through your hair like that, it's tearing all the curls out. You're putting the product in, but it tears all the curls out. So when you do this and scrunch it, it allows all the curls to come back in your hair, and it just makes your curls a lot better than if you were to just run your fingers through it. It tears all the curls out, if you know what I mean. So just kind of like scrunch it and pluff it. I don't really know if there's a word for that, like pluff. I've never heard anyone say pluff in my life, but you know what I mean. Just do this kind of thing right here, and it's gonna make your curls look nice. Trust me. Just take my word for it, okay? Now, once you guys have done that, basically what you want to do, you want to get your hands, you know, wash your hands or whatever, because you're gonna have stuff on your hands, or you can just wipe them on the towel. Either one works. It's not. It doesn't make a difference. But now this is the part that's important. Basically, what's gonna happen with this product in your hair? Ooh, hold on. It's like a mop on my head. What's gonna happen with this product in your hair is when your hair actually dries, it's gonna dry up in this curly way. It's gonna make your hair dry up in curls and stuff like that. Like right now, my hair looks wavy and noodly instead of like straight like curls, like nice thick curls or whatever, skinny curls, whatever, you know what I mean? It doesn't look necessarily like that right now. It just looks like wavy noodles or whatever. But when it dries up like curls, they get thicker and it expands, whatever. So basically what you guys wanna do is you wanna take your towel and you wanna put it on your head and basically just do the scrunch thing again to the point where it's dry, but you don't wanna mess up your curls, if you know what I mean. Like you just wanna scrunch lightly. You don't wanna like dig and pull your hair all kinds of ways, because it'll end up messing up exactly what you were doing in the first place. So just take the towel, put it on your head, and you just wanna start scrunching it around like this. Just do this kind of thing right here. Scrunch it up. It's not too difficult. Don't like rip your hair out while you're trying to do it. Just kind of scrunch it, give it scrunches all around, and just do that until your hair feels like, or you kind of can tell that your hair is drier. You know what I mean? Like, just make sure your hair is dry. It doesn't need to be like spot on, like 100% dry. Just make sure it doesn't feel wet anymore, because when you're using this product and stuff, it's gonna feel like just ridiculously wet the whole time. Okay, so I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. It's just, I literally have one light in my bathroom. It's pretty doo-doo, but basically once you guys have done that, your hair is somewhat more dry and it's not like super wet. It's still got the product in it and it's dried down a little bit. You just want to leave your hair like this, let it sit. I think it takes anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour or whatever for it to kind of dry up and get poofier. But basically you just want to let it sit like this until it does dry out. And when it does dry out, you guys will notice that your hair is a lot curlier. It's gonna have curls, it's gonna have balance, whatever. And like I said, you guys can use either product, both the Cantu curling cream. I don't know why it only wants to focus on my face, but I mean, I guess that's fine. But you can use either the Cantu curling cream, still does not want to focus on it, or the activator cream. Either one works, does not matter. Activator is for someone trying to start curls, curling cream is for someone who wants to get better curls. So that's basically it. You guys just want to leave it like that, let it dry up. You can scrunch it around if you want to, but honestly at this point you just kind of let it sit there to go do whatever you gotta do. You gotta like do some homework, or you know what I'm saying, like go to the strip club or eat some chicken nuggets, cook some pizza rolls, whatever. I don't know, but basically that's how you guys do it. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. If this video helped you at all, make sure to smash a like. Let's go for 300 likes on this. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, join the family. And if you guys have any questions for me, leave them down in the comment section below. I do respond, I do see all my comments. Also, follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. They're both at JustKryptic. It's the same thing as my YouTube channel, whatever. I'm over 100,000 on Snapchat and at about 11,500 on Instagram. So go follow those two things. Links in the description, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good night. It's been your boy JustKryptic, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Peace out.
Make me feel it, make me feel it, make me feel it, make me feel it. Oh, I won't feel it, I won't feel it, I won't feel it, I won't feel it. Baby, I'll give you hit, give me silence, coming back, I'm a pillar.
Hey, look, if you know what this is for, you know what this is for. If you actually did make it all the way through the video though, comment down below, #peanut. Let me know that you actually watched it all the way through. I hope you guys do have a good night, and subscribe if you guys haven't. Peace out.